All right, let's do our chest flies. Grab weights, you're gonna need your bench. You're going to lay back. Now for this exercise, you can either have your feet up on the bench or down on the ground. For me personally, it's more comfortable having my feet on the bench. This is a personal preference, so do what's best for you. You're going to exhale as you bring your hands up. Your palms are facing one another. Core is engaged. Inhale as you open your arms, dropping your elbows lower than your chest, and then exhale as you squeeze up. And you really want to think about squeezing your chest. So you inhale as you lower, exhale as you squeeze and bring your arms up above your chest. Inhale, exhale. Good. Core is engaged the entire time. Think about hugging a tree, so you keep your arms nice and wide. Good. Inhale and exhale. Excellent. Those are your chest flies.